Hello. So today we are going to talk about a couple of lines and they go like this. जो पानी के नाम को पानी जाने ये नादानी है. जो पानी के नाम को पानी जाने ये नादानी है. पानी पानी रटते रटते प्यासा ही मर जाएगा. पानी पानी रटते रटते प्यासा ही मर जाएगा. And the third one is पर एक चिंगारी लब पर रख लो लब फौरन जल जाए. This interestingly are a few lines from Zahin Shah Taji and we are going to go in depth into it. We are going to look into what he tries to mean by these lines. जो पानी के नाम को पानी जाने ये नादानी है. Now this applies to many a seeker who is on the path, not in terms of spirituality, in terms of following anything, or it is seen even in terms of our general lives. Where does this apply? Let us see, let us go in depth into it. Now, when it has been commonly known that a word, any word which we utter, or anything that we mean to say, is not really the thing that we want to reach. For example, here where the poet is giving us a know-how about pani, water. He says that pani pani ratte ratte pyasa hi machayega, which means that you may take the word or the name of water a million times, yet you will not be able to reach the thirst quenching, that satisfaction that one derives out of really drinking the water or really going near to your object of desire, is what he is trying to say. The words of truth, God, religion, dharma have been raised to such levels and they have been idolized, they have been revered to such an extent, yet it is quite easy to hear bhajans, it is quite easy to hear the calls of azan when you walk on the street. It is quite easy to someone or something uttering the words of God or truth or claiming themselves to be doing that. Yet what is very tough to find is a person in action doing the work of God, or person living his truth, or a person who is really going towards the nectar of life which all this movement of spirituality or seeking is headed towards. So such is the rarity of a person really going towards the words of God or truth, that the poet over here, he had to mention that pani pani ratte ratte pyasa hi mar jayega. You speak of the word of God, you greet each other by stating the names of your beloved gods or the people or the lords that you worship, yet you are so far from it that you will die of thirst. You will not reach anywhere close to them, is what the condemnation the poet is giving you. Why is your life so bereft of the values, the godliness that your gods are preaching? Why does the poet have to reach such a level of frustration that he has to express himself through such words? It is something to think about very deeply. The first line was saying that जो पानी के नाम को पानी जाने ये नादानी है, which means that it is a dumbness on the part of anyone who considers the word of water, the term water, as water in itself, because that is the level of stupidity that the society has reached. They think terms like excellence, truth, wisdom, they are the real things. Rather, let me tell you that we have just made words as some sort of, we have given these words so much of importance that we have forgotten about the real thing, what they stand for. We have forgotten the essence in our blind run, our blind fight towards reaching, in our blind pursuit of the terms. We have completely brainwashed ourselves, and for example, the term money. We go behind money. We understand it is very important to lead a good quality of life. Yet behind the pursuit, we have forgotten what it is for. Now going to the second part of the verse, where the poet says, "Ek chingari nappar rakh lo," which tries to say that you, instead of talking so much, instead of dwelling so much in the names, instead of just trying to pursue or trying to prove to the other how much of a name keeper are you, just try to pursue it. Even the reality, ek chingari nappar rakh le, which means that even one speck of reality, if you let it enter your lives, chingari here means the fire, the spark of fire. Just try to keep it on your tongue and you will be introduced to the reality. Because instead of spelling out water again and again, the name of Lord or the name of water which you think will quench your thirst, rather just wait and get the taste of the reality that has been created, that is already surrounding you. Instead of running away from the reality that surrounds you, try to go closer to it. And that itself could be your boat towards salvation. This very existence that has been created to take you through. And it is just about the courage being shown from your side. The courage to not run away from things, not to surrender to the realms of names and forms. Rather to see, witness for yourself and be involved into the workings. And that will in itself tell you what is the real thing. The poet also says, before spelling this out, that shola shola ratte ratte lappar aach na aaye, which goes along the same lines, that is telling you to, instead of just talking and just not taking action seriously and just talking about things will just take you to the same thing. Rather, doing things is something which will transform you. It will let you know what works, what does not. And till you get yourself involved, till you get into the thicks of action into life, you will have a lot of imaginations. You will have a lot of trivial thoughts that will keep going on. And they will not stop till you go deep into the waters. You get yourself into the heat, into the fire. Only then you can give birth to many things. May it be empathy, may it be compassion, may it be right action, may it be going towards truth or love or God. Because all of those can arise only out of a honest understanding of life, not rote learning the names of gods. Right. It can be a good and beautiful spot to start from, but if you think that this is what will take you through, then my friend, you are mistaken. Because as we discussed earlier, there is a difference between the word of God and the real godliness that has to come into our lives.